This is the front of the truck. The windshield is bulletproof. This is the driver's side of the truck. This is the driver's gun hole. This window is bulletproof. All of the windows are bulletproof and they all have this label on it to show the armor grade. This is the first keyhole. On it, it tells you which key is for which lock. This is the key. It has 1611-1. It matches up with the lock. You insert the key, you turn it to the right, and the door pops open. This is what the gun hole looks like from the inside. You pull this back, you pull this down, and that's where you would insert the gun. It has a latch to open it from the inside, a latch to lock it. This is for access to your battery. It's on the driver's door. You insert this here, you turn it up, and there are your 2 batteries. That's the manufacturer's label. On the driver's side still, this is another gun hole. I'll show you where this is located soon. But this is what this gun hole looks like from the outside. This window is bulletproof. This is the back side of the truck. This is the bullet hole, the gun hole here. This window is bulletproof. This door also opens with the key. It matches with the key number. This is the key. You insert it, and on this one, you have to push a little bit to open it. And it opens to the back of the truck. This is the latch to open it from the inside. This is the latch to lock it from the inside. This is what the gun hole looks like. Pull it down. This gun hole hasn't been used, so it has plastic right here, but you would just break it. It's easily broken once you push a gun through it. This window is bulletproof. This is what the back side of the truck looks like. There are dome lights. I'll show you how to turn those on later on in this video. All the windows you see are bulletproof. The entire exterior of this truck is bulletproof. Except for the lights. Those are the only things that are not bulletproof. And this is the rear camera. This is the passenger side of the truck. There's another door here with another gun hole. This door does not open from the outside, but it does open from the inside. This is the right side camera. This is what it looks like from this door view. It has steps to step up. This window is also bulletproof. As you step into here, you see this next door. This is a door that can close off from the drivers. It can only be opened by the drivers. It has another gun hole here. This window is also bulletproof. It opens with the key. number 2, put it in, you twist it and it opens. Here's the gun hole from the driver's side. It hasn't been broken because it hasn't been used, but it's easily broken. Gonna go back outside. Close this door. It has a latch to open it from the inside and a latch to lock it. This is the gun hole for this door. Hasn't been broken because it hasn't been used, but it's easily broken. Window is bulletproof. This is the passenger side camera. Another window is bulletproof. All the windows have this emblem to show the armor grade.